channel. Welcome back to my channel. Or just welcome to my channel in general, okay? So, my name is Tamia. The name of my channel is Tamia Lee. I think I'm gonna change the name, but I'm not sure. That's just my name, Tamia Lee. Um, yeah. I don't know. This video is just gonna be different. But I'm just gonna jump right on into it, okay? Because I just don't know how else to do it, okay? Alright, y'all. So welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for being here and watching my videos and even if you're not new here, thank you for continuing to watch my videos because I have 3,000 subscribers. Let me be clear. 3,098 subscribers. And y'all, this video is just gonna be very raw and real because I'm just gonna give it to y'all real raw and real. So I don't even know why I'm finna cry. I don't know. I don't know why I'm tearing up. I don't know. So let me tell y'all. I do the reels, right? And you know, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that I used to do like longer videos like a while back. I haven't did one in probably like I think probably like 9 to 10 months, and then before that it was like a year. Anyways, so I used to do a lot of videos, long videos, like tutorials, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, vlogs, like things like that on my channel, right? And then I just stopped doing it. And I started doing reels and I started doing TikToks and Instagram reels and things like that. And I'm gonna let y'all know why because I feel like, okay, I don't, y'all, all this just clicked today because my intention was not to do any more videos like this and just stick to like the reels and the shorter videos, y'all. And y'all, that's what I was gonna do. That was my plan, like moving forward with my future and just doing videos and trying to be a influencer. But y'all, literally this morning on the way to work, y'all, it's so real. That's probably why I'm finna tear up. This morning on the way to work, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but something just came in my mind and was like, you should start doing videos again. Like, I was listening to the B Simone podcast, right? And I don't know, I don't even know what she was talking about, y'all, but it was real. It was a good podcast, and it just made me think, like, oh, they were talking about like all the things that they have accomplished and the goals that they have completed, right? So I always ask myself, and I always ask God, like, dang, I've been creating videos for a long time, and like my following is growing, but I don't know. It's just I guess it's not going how I would like it to grow. So I'll be talking to God, and I'll be like, I don't know what to do. I don't know which way to go with this. Should I keep doing this? Should I not do it? Because I've been doing this stuff for years. You know what I'm saying? For years. So, I would pray about it. And I made a vision board the other day. And, I just put a lot of good things. And I've been really heavy on trusting God and studying my Bible and, just listening to the voice in my head. And you know what I'm saying? So, anyways, on the way to work this morning, I was listening to the podcast and something just came. I'm going to say it's God because that's what it was. Because Tamia did not want to do no more videos. But I feel like God was like, you should start doing the videos. You should start doing the YouTube videos again. You start doing like vlogs again. Like I can do so much now. Like I do my own nails. Like I do all kind of solo dates and thrift shopping. And so I thought about that and I was like, wow. I said that was God. Like I was thinking to myself, that was God. And also I had started a podcast, right? And I was just thinking to myself, how am I gonna get this podcast? How am I gonna build this platform? And as I'm thinking that, something just popped in my head and was like, you already have the platform. You already have the following. Like, just go back to it and just do it and just trust in it and just help people because I've learned so much that I can share and that could just be fun for me to connect with people. But I don't know. I don't know why I didn't want to do any more. Well, I guess I do know why I didn't want to do any more longer videos, and it's more so because the time that goes into making the video, editing the video, making the thumbnail, like it all got to be very overwhelming for me. And I, especially with like having a son and just working and dealing with all of that, like just dealing with life, like it got overwhelming. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna stick to the reels and let that be that. So I started doing reels really, really heavy. The reels work out. They're working out good for me. They're working out great for me. Better than I even expected. And if you have subscribed to my channel because you have watched one of my reels, thank you so much. Because when I tell you the only reason I post these videos is because y'all be watching them. That's the only reason. Like it inspires me to post more videos. So I'm like, I can't forget about my YouTube family because I started on YouTube and then I went to Instagram and then I went to TikTok, and my TikTok is, you know, is doing good and it is growing more and quicker than my YouTube channel did. And I think that's what discouraged me also from making more videos. So I focused more on my TikTok. So now I'm feeling like I was in a space where I was like, I don't know what to do because I feel like I do like, what would I do if I didn't do these videos? Because it's a part of my life now. It's my hobby and I love it, so I can't not do it. And I used to do it because I was like, okay, I want to be an influencer. I want to make a lot of money. I want to, you know, have a big house and all of this. But now it's to the point to where I don't want to say I can't stop, but it's like something will not let me stop. So I do it now because I'm like, this is what I do. Like I wanna show people like my life because I'm not normal. I'm not normal. So I just want to show people the things that I do because it may help them. And you know, you just never know. So I'm back and I'm doing longer videos. I will be doing tutorials and I will be doing mukbangs and I will be going hard. Not only for me, but just for y'all too, because y'all be commenting on my videos. That's really what gets me. Like, not only do y'all watch, but y'all comment on my videos. Like, I'm like, dang, they really interested. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I guess I thought wouldn't nobody be that interested in my videos. I don't know, just because I've been doing it for so long and it's just been stagnant. But new levels, new heights, new me, and I'm ready to revamp and redo my channel and just bring y'all more videos. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna promise y'all a video a week, a long video a week. So we're gonna say a tutorial, a mukbang, just something, a therapy session. Y'all, I said, y'all, life is just so different now. God is just doing things and putting things in my mind that I never thought would come to par or that I would ever want to do. But I'm in the moment in my life where I'm like, I can't do this by myself. So I'm trusting in him 100%, right? Y'all, I said I would never go back to school. I said I would never go back to college. Tell me why. Tell me why I am looking for online schools to go to get my bachelor's in psychology. What in the world? Like, it shocks me every day. And just how the moment happened with me driving and I just had the thought of, you know, you should just go back to doing videos. It was like that for me to realize that I wanted to get a degree in psychology because I do home health care and I like it, but it's not what I love. You know what I'm saying? And I want to do something that I love. And I was like, what do I love? Well, I love hair and makeup. Well, I already went to school to be a cosmetologist. So what else do I love? I love the mind. I love trying to understand why people do what they do, and actions and reactions, and helping people understand their problems. Like, I like that type of stuff. I was like, I kept thinking about it, and I kept researching, looking for a lot of little degrees that I could get, but nothing was given. Like, in Google, nothing was given. So I was just searching little careers, little certificates I can get in the psychology field, and nothing was really given. So I was like, you know what? One day I was at work, and I don't know where something was just like, that voice in my head was just like, go back to school. You're 27, go back to school. From that moment on, I just started researching stuff. And so, we for online school to start my bachelor's in psychology, and we're just gonna go from there. I want to become a marriage and family therapist, so really excited about that. It's gonna be a journey. I'm gonna be doing these videos, y'all. And it's like, it's crazy because after I had that moment this morning, I started seeing different things that was like, you should have been started. You should have been started. This is a sign they watching. This is a sign they watching. This is a sign, like, and I'm like, the signs were there. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm gonna be doing longer tutorials. I'm gonna do the shorts too, but I'm gonna do more detailed tutorials so that you guys can like really grasp what I'm doing, and ask questions and things like that, and makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, all of that. I have locks, so we're gonna be doing a lot of lock style. This one is the old lock style. I did this like probably 4 days ago. Really simple, but it's just like 4 braids, and then in the back I just did a little crochet style, like just a little crochet bun, and it's real cute. But I'll be posting that short. But I'm excited. I don't know if this is y'all video for the week. I don't know if this is y'all video for the week, but we'll see. I may be able to do another one. It's just so much has changed. Like, so much has changed in my life, and it's just, I don't know. I'm a different person. Like, it's like I'm a different person. This is gonna be good though. This is gonna be good. This may be what I need. This may be what God. This is definitely what God wants from me, because I feel a way about it that's saying, I feel a way that's calm, and I feel relaxed about it, and something in my mind is just saying, trust me, trust me. So I'm just trusting God, and I'm gonna do these videos, and we're gonna become friends, and I'm gonna help y'all, and y'all gonna help me. Because my TikTok is where I've been posting all my videos. Follow me on TikTok. You'll see a lot. I got a lot of videos on there. But I'm about to get back on YouTube, because this is where I started. And yeah, I'm excited about it. We're going to do some workout videos too. We're going to do some workout videos, vlogs, all of that. Okay, I may do one today. I don't know. It just depends on what I do in a minute. Gotta go get Kai. Y'all, Kai is 3. And you know what's so funny? I have this video on my channel, and I'm gonna list it below if I can find. I know I can find it, because people comment on it like multiple times a week. But it's when I was pregnant with Kai, and like I said, he's 3 now, and I was putting a swing set together, or a car seat or something. I don't remember. But so many people have so many questions on that, dog, and I be feeling so bad, because sometimes, like, I don't know the answer to their questions, so I just let them know, like, I don't even have this item anymore. But I really appreciate them for watching it. Like, I really, really appreciate people for taking the time out to watch my videos. Like, that's love. That's love. That is. So anyways, I'm gonna get a new intro. This video probably not gonna have an intro because I think I'm just gonna upload it tonight. Yeah, give me video ideas below. Do y'all want to know more about me? Should I do like a question and answer? Like, what do y'all want to know? What do y'all want to know? I am supposed to be on a diet, or just I ain't even gonna say on a diet. I'm supposed to be changing my life and eating better and making it a life change. But I just had a sweet tooth and I had to go get a tea. But that's okay. I got a water right here. That does not make it better. Let me make that clear. That does not make it better. And I'm just keeping it a buck with y'all, okay? So, yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you for watching my video. I feel like, if you want to subscribe, subscribe. Because I don't want to pressure y'all. Like, if you want to subscribe, subscribe. And I'll greatly appreciate it. If not, I still appreciate y'all for watching my video. Or this video. So, anything else I would say? I think that's it. I'm back and I'm gonna be doing more videos. I love y'all. And I will see y'all later. Bye.